Hi friends, we are in the holiday season and it's time to enjoy with lots of cooking and baking. Everyone is very much excited, I know. Let's see how we soak dry fruits in wine, which we are doing here. We take dry fruits of our choice like raisins, glazed cherries, glazed pineapple, dates, dried fig, dried cranberries, prunes, nuts mix, etc. Here I have taken cashews and almonds 50 gram, cranberries 50 gram, golden raisins 50 gram, prunes 150 gram, tutti frutti 50 gram. Cut these dry fruits into small pieces if any big pieces are there. Take a dry and big jar and put all the cut dry fruits into it. Instead of wine, you could take other alcohols like rum, whiskey, brandy, etc. for the wonderful Christmas plum cake. Now we pour wine, rum or brandy until all the dry fruits are fully immersed. If you don't use alcohol, don't worry, you can soak these dry fruits in orange juice, apple juice or grape juice 3 days before and store it in the fridge. If you are soaking in alcohol, there is no need to store it in the fridge, just keep it closed away from the sunlight. And you have to shake the jar daily because the dry fruits will absorb the alcohol. It's best the Christmas cake when you can soak the dry fruits in wine, at least for 1 month. Here I am soaking for 2 weeks. We are hosting a competition in Instagram. Please do participate and win exciting prizes. Sending the details below in the description box. Enjoy your holidays. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.